Howdy, I'm Nick, and this is a dragon that I bought and never got around to actually painting. I've primed it and then it's been sat on the side. Today I'm just going to paint this. Let's get on. Got a dragon on top of a house. Well, the house is going to be browns and sienna. I've gone with neutral sienna for the shingle. The dragon is going to be orange and gold. Reason being that every time I paint things, they tend to be purples and reds, so I want to do something different. And so I asked the guy in the paint shop when I was buying paint the other day, what colour should I paint dragon? His suggestion was gold and orange. Gold and orange. And someone commented the other day that it's good to see that my workspace is a cluttered mess. You can't see at the moment is, that's before I've started. I think its accents are gold. So we're starting with the metallics, and I think we're going spine. These scales and that are going to be gold. I do find this with gold paint, it does tend to sort of go very wishy-washy. You want to lay it on really thick and then try and brush it off afterwards because it doesn't seem to stick. In the suggestions, don't use gold paint is not an option. Minutes of painting just metallics. I'm not sure about this. It's not picked up the colour. The pigment of the orange is not very good. It's just not picking up. It's just not saving it. I think maybe I need to just use that orange as a base coat and add the gold over the top again. I'm just going to do the red, making the shingles a bit redder. I'm trying dwarf skin instead of the orange because the orange is there's not enough pigment in it. This seems to have a bit more substance to it. This is one of those examples where I need your feedback. Why is this not? Is it just because I've put it on red base coat? It doesn't seem to be sticking very well. I'm gonna need to go back and redo the gold. I think I did a mistake by spraying the two-tone blue and red. I don't think that really worked. There's a lesson learned, but I've got an idea. I've got two ideas actually. To get a bit of contrast in the spine, I'm going to paint it silver, and then we've got another idea which might end up being very expensive. I'm on visit to the art shop to buy gold foil paint. We're going to try this because that didn't really work. So that looks more like it. Okay, ready? That is much more of a gold. I think that's too big a brush still. No, we're going to go gold body. there we go. One not orange dragon. It was meant to be orange and gold. It ended up being gold and silver. The orange paint just didn't take. And so I've only got gold paint, and I've got enough gold paint to paint everything gold from this point on. But what do you think? How do I do? Is it okay? It's not brilliant. It's not going to be Louisa Rogue Hobbies or Murray's Tabletop Time amazing paintings. But that's not bad. I'm quite pleased with that. What do you think? And if you want to leave comments on this, tell me what I was doing wrong, what I'm doing right. Is putting a red base coat on this a bad idea? Is that what's caused the orange pigment to not stick? I don't know. Leave me comments. All right, I'm going to take Goldie the Dragon and put him on a shelf and go out in the sun. Bye. Somebody's wandered off. Solo, what are you eating? Oh, why are you in such a... What you got? What are you eating? What are you eating? Why are you eating it? What did you find? You've just eaten something, haven't you? Oh, you are a pest. Someone's feeling better. What did you just eat? Mischief. What the f are you eating? What are you eating? I don't know what she's eating. Because she won't... Because the only time she sits on my foot is when she wants to get told off.